and subscribe to the channel and hit the like button to stay up to date on the latest movie news. As a movie enthusiast with a passion for epic sci-fi sagas, I'm eager to dive into the new series, Dune Prophecy, with its gripping storyline, intricate characters, and shocking twists. I'm hooked from the get-go. The premiere episode on HBO Max is a thrilling ride of politics, betrayal, and stunning surprises that left me on the edge of my seat. Um, what makes Dune Prophecy particularly uh, intriguing is its unique setup. The series takes place 10,000 years before Paul Atreides' story in the 2021 Denis Villeneuve film Dune, exploring the origins of the enigmatic Bene Gesserit sisterhood. We are introduced to Valia and her sister, Tula Harkonnen, as they build their order and compete for the fate of humanity. The series begins uh, with a grand royal wedding between the rival great houses of Carino and Rashis. However, things take a dark turn when the Carino Emperor confides in his trusted soldier, Desmond Hart, about his private doubts regarding the Union. Unbeknownst to him, this conversation triggers a chain of events that alters the course of the season's events. Uh, One of the most striking aspects of the premiere episode is the tragic fate of the young betrothed, Pruitt Richies. Given Desmond Hart's earlier display of pyrokinesis, it's hardly a surprise that this innocent child meets a devastating end. The turbulent dissolution of the union between houses Carino and Richecy sets a dramatic tone for the series, and I'm excited to see uh, where this will lead. According to showrunner Alison Schacker, the sudden twist at the end of the episode was deliberately planned to introduce a catalyst for the series. Valia's meticulously arranged plan is turned upside down, and she must now react to this unexpected obstacle. This raises the stakes and sets the stage for an intriguing ride ahead. One of the most interesting aspects of Dune Prophecy is its departure from the original books, and Desmond Hart, a key character, is not present in the literary roots of the series. Uh, this adds a layer of mystery and complexity, potentially broadening the Dune universe and introducing unexpected storylines during the inaugural season. All in all, Dune Prophecy is a gripping and thought-provoking series that will keep you on the edge of your seat. Um, and remember, it's just like a sports match. You never know what's going to happen next. See, uh, as the saying goes, expect the unexpected. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, thanks.